As each hour passed, our ability to move safely in Kurdish northeast Syria lessened. Fewer and fewer civilians were on the roads. Almost everyone else had gone. These families, grouped together, are living in trucks. They're so confused by the fighting, they want to be able to move in any direction at any given time. They fled Aleppo 6 years ago, and they're fleeing again now. This was the start of a remarkable 24 hours here. The fighting between Turkish-backed militia and Kurds intensified along a huge battlefield. Nobody knew, though, what was happening. In the chaos, hundreds of Islamic State fighters and families escaped, and suddenly terror group sleeper cells were activated. Kurdish intelligence said our hotel was a target, bringing panic to the de facto capital, Qamishli.
I think that good go out here, please, because it's very bad here now.
On the streets, soldiers restricted traffic. Roadblocks into this area of the city were reinforced. We were forced to leave to a safe house.
What was it?
A Turkish-led invasion, a spike in Islamic State activity, and then this. We watched the pictures as they came in. There was disbelief. An air attack on a civilian convoy heading to act as human shields against the fighting. The death toll grew. It's then they realized their grip on their homeland they call Rojava was slipping away.
Get you out of there as soon as possible.
And then another twist. By night time, the news nobody expected so quickly. The Kurds had done a deal with Russia and Syria. Our Kurdish colleagues were in shock. The night skies filled with tracer bullets and gunfire in celebration. A celebration by the Arab communities here. The regime of Bashar al-Assad was returning. We had to leave. The Damascus government considers us illegal and consorting with terrorists. It's a 12-year sentence. Messages came through. The Syrian military would take control of the border to Iraq in 4 hours. We were 3 hours away. The collapse of Kurdish Syria's administration left our friends utterly disconsolate. We made the final crossing from Rojava, leaving the Kurds behind. And leaving the next generation displaced from their homes and camping in schools, where they will be taught in Arabic, not Kurdish from now on. Rojava was a dream, but it's gone. For sure, though, the children will learn one thing in Kurdish, and that is the meaning of betrayal. Stuart Ramsey, Sky News, in northeast Syria.